Hey guys, what's up? This is a Warwick Vampyre SN-5 bass. I just restrung it with some elixir strings through a Neural DSP Quad Cortex. In this video I'm gonna mess with the tone controls on the bass as well as try out some presets. So this is what it sounds like. Let me just switch to the neck pickup. Switch to another preset. So this was the Dark Glass AO901 preset. So I'm going to switch to the Brute Bass preset on the Quad Cortex. Switch back to the bridge pickup. Try another preset on the Quad Cortex. I'm gonna try the Bell Tolls bass this is Snake Hair Bass Mix 2. Back to the neck pickup. Switching preset again. We have something called Bass Super Valve. So that sounds a bit like this. bridge pickup. Aldi did the neck, I think. I can't remember. So I'm going to go to the G800K bass. I think that's a Galian Kruger bridge pickup. Pickup. Close this video out with the Cali bass walk. No idea what to expect here. It's on the neck pickup. Going back to the bridge pickup. I think it's a pretty good pairing. I'm not much of a bassist, as you probably figured out by now. Just kind of just play my own stuff and really don't practice that much. But I think there are a lot of tones in here. I still haven't messed with the bass actually, now that I think about it, I'm not too sure. I think this is a treble control. I mean, I think this is the pickup selector. There doesn't seem to be a pickup selector otherwise. These are Delano pickups. I think this is treble and bass. It's very odd. It's very different from the Warwick manuals. I'm not very sure. I mean, I can just give you a quick see here. It is at the bottom, so it sounds very. That is at the bottom. Now, if I turn this up, sounds. So normally, what they tell you on the Warwick manuals is this is bass, this is mid, this is treble, but it's a bit odd that this would have so much. I'm not too sure. It's because if I move it forward, shouldn't the mids increase and not, here more mids, less mids? I think it's the pickup selector, and these controls. I mean, if I turn this down, turn it up, bass control. Sorry, that's the bass control. Treble control. This bass has a lot of. Lots of clang. I think it's still on the neck pickup. Anyway, sorry, I don't know what the controls do on the bass. This is kind of with the preamp off. Actually, there are two knobs. This goes off. This also goes up. So if I turn them both off. Had me a blast. Yeah, that's how it goes. So yeah, Warwick Vampyre bass. I'll post some screenshots of the signal chain on the dark glass, and I hope that video is informative for you. Sorry this took so long. All right, see you. Bye bye.